So, hello guys, this is months later after I wanted to do what I wanted to do with these video segments. I was going through my camera roll tonight, it's February now, and I was like, I never did what I wanted to do with these videos. So these videos are all, so this fall, and 2 falls ago as well, but this fall we had a bird window strike survey on campus, finding all dead or injured birds that were window struck during like a 4 to 6 week period. And I was a part of that, and these birds were from birds I found during my routes that I did probably a few every week, every morning. I think most mornings I did in the fall. I didn't have anything else to do where I was birding anyways. So these were all alive birds I found, and in full disclosure, all these birds that are in these videos I attended to, and they got their crap together and moved on. Some took 30 plus minutes, but that's okay as long as the bird's okay and is able to move on. That's all that matters. I've never had a injured bird I have came to in the 2 seasons I have been helping with this die on me in any regard. I've definitely came upon some really bad situations with live birds, but I've never had any die on me, thankfully. So I try to make sure as best as I can that the bird is okay and is able to move on before I move on, unless I have class or something. But yeah, so anyways, this video is showing live birds I came upon last fall, and just to show what they go through or what they see in some sense, if they are still alive, and the surroundings. You guys can hear all the noise and all the commotion, the noise pollution in the background. Some of these videos are quite strong, but yeah, it's just a good representation of what they go through and what they see and what they hear after they are so confused and possibly injured from colliding with windows. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Maybe I'll have some more this spring if we continue on with this. Thanks for watching.